Hey guys, so today we're just gonna jump right into the video. I just woke up, it's like 6:30 in the morning, and I gotta do my makeup for school. So, start with witch hazel. Just put that on, nice toner, moisturize the skin. Then actually moisturize the skin with the face lotion. Not in focus, I don't care right now. Too early for this. Always remember your chapstick. And I'm lazy, so I'm using my highlighter as an eyeshadow. And just smear that on your face, cause why not? But obviously you need to blend that out, so blend it out. And now it's time for eyeliner. And I cannot get it open because of all the lotion on my hand. As you can see, my eyes still aren't even open yet. So, yeah, gotta put some eyeliner on to open up them eyes. And it's one of the few times that I actually did eyeliner on camera. And I think I did it nicely today. So, yay. Remember how I said I did my eyeliner nicely? Well, I lied. So we're just gonna go in really quick and fix that up. And I just, yeah, licked my finger and then clean that up. Even though the eyeliner is waterproof, it's not spit proof. So it's good. I'm good now. And I don't know what to do. So let's fix the nose ring and take the glamour shots. Ooh, yeah, look at me. And I think bye-bye. I don't know. I still have a lot of time left. So I was going to end it there, but let me go get dressed. Bam, look at me rocking the hoodie. Never been to San Francisco, but still got the hoodie. And I'm gonna do a nude lipstick. And I also forgot to put on mascara. And look at that. I'm ready for school. So that's me already. Bye guys. Thank you. Like and subscribe.